Nestled on 40 gently rolling acres, this beautiful ranch is ideally set up for livestock and comfortable country living. The well-maintained 1,548 square foot home sits on a central high point of the property with sweeping views of the ponds and surrounding landscape. Washington County is an outdoor enthusiast's paradise, with the nearby Snake River, Hells Canyon, and Unit 31 offering world-class fishing, big game and upland bird hunting, hiking, boating, and camping. The land is thoughtfully designed for livestock, with cross-fencing, 2 runoff ponds supplemented by a high-producing artesian well. This beautiful ranch offers stunning views of both Cuddy and Council Mountains, with convenient access to nearby towns, perfect for those seeking modern comfort, rural charm, and outdoor adventure. For a qualified showing, please contact Tanner Ross or Stephen Wynn.